So I found this statue of a, it looks like a cockatiel. It has a base like that at a thrift store, and I painted it like my Amazon green because I think he needs a buddy. But I put it in there, and he doesn't really seem to like it that much. I mean, he doesn't really show any affection towards it, but I wanted to make sure it looked like him pretty good. What do you think? Does he look like the Amazon green? So I put him, like, I propped him up right here on the side. And he kind of hung out for a little while. And he's just like, he don't really care about that statue bird. But Charlie, what do you think? What do you think of the statue bird? Tell me. You want to give him a name? You want to give him a name? Yeah. All right, Ben Pal's out. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.